All right, starting lesson 7.2, multiplying polynomials. And for example 1, we're just multiplying two binomials. And when we do that, there's a particular method that we use. It's called the FOIL method. All right, and F stands for first, O for outer, I for inner, L for last. So you multiply the first terms, which gives you x squared. You multiply the outer terms, which gives you 5x. Then you multiply the inner terms, which gives you 2x. Then you multiply the last terms, which gives you 10. Then you just simplify by combining like terms. We have x squared plus 7x plus 10. Done. Let's do the same thing for part B. First, all right, we have x squared. Then we have negative 4x. Don't forget the negative. Then we have 3x. And then we have negative 12. Combine like terms, and we have x squared minus x, or minus 1x, minus 12. Done. All right, pretty simple stuff once you get the hang of it. All right, multiplying binomials using a table. All right, you don't have to use a table. I mean, just use the simple FOIL method. 2x squared. Then you have plus 10x. You have negative 3x, and then you have negative 15. All right, so you have 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. Done. Next one, find each product. What does product mean? Product means you're multiplying them. That's what we're doing with these binomials. So use the FOIL method. X squared. Then we have negative 6x. Then we have negative 3x. Then we have plus 18. Then we have x squared minus 9x plus 18. All right, for the next one, I have 2x times 3x, which is 6x squared, minus 10x plus 3x minus 5. All right, so we have 6x squared. Combine like terms, we have minus 7x minus 5. Done. All right, the next one is a bit more challenging. Not that much more, though. All right, it's like an extension of the FOIL method. I have to multiply the x times each term of the trinomial. So that gives me x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x, and I have to multiply the 5 by each term. So that gives me plus 5x squared minus 15x minus 10. All right, so I have x cubed. Then I have negative 3x squared plus 5x squared, which is plus 2x squared. And then I have negative 17x. And I have minus 10. All right, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask. Begin the assignment at the bottom of the web page.